Hello, this video will show Browser Automation Studio basics. It also gives impressions on how software interface looks and feels. For more information, see the full video course. The link is also available in the description. We will make a simple script which continuously checks Ethereum rates and output results into a log. Let's start by entering record mode. It allows you to create or edit a script. Start by clicking the red button at the center of the screen. Now we need to select browser control type. We will use direct control because it allows us to record scripts just by interacting with the browser. After all preparations are made, we can start recording the script, so we will open blockchain.com and click on the following button. All actions that we perform in the browser will be recorded and can be reproduced later. In order to parse element text, we have to open Context menu, click the right mouse button, and select Get Element Text. This will store the results in a variable. Variables allow you to store data and use it later. For example, variable saved text holds the Ethereum rate right now. All we need to do now is to output rate into log. Use the log action to do that. As input data, we will use the saved text variable obtained in the previous step. Finally, let's loop our script so it will be executed again and again. In order to do that, we will use labels. Labels helps you to transfer an execution point from one place to another. If you connect last and first action by dragging labels, this will make the script repeatable. Now we are ready to start our script and see how it works.